Alright, you have done all the preparation to upgrade from Windows 7 PC to Windows 10. Now it's time to start the actual upgrade process. As I said in the System Update Requirements lecture, you should have Windows Update enabled. To ensure the settings, go to Control Panel, look for Windows Update in System and Security category. From the left side, select Change Settings and see what kind of settings are currently selected. If you have another option selected, change it to Install Update Automatically, which is also recommended. Make sure you have the most recent update are installed in your Windows 7 computer. If you don't update your PC very often, it may require internet data and time to make the system up to date. Keep in mind that try to be updated whenever it possible. Because update version of Windows is very smooth for operation, it can protect you from security threats, hacking, malware, virus, and from harmful activities. Now check for updates by clicking these options. It will check for latest update it requires. Install the update and restart your computer if necessary. If your system is now really up to date, you may find a Get Windows 10 icon on the bottom right corner on the taskbar that looks like Windows logo. Click this icon to initiate the Windows 10 upgrade. You may have few options there. Upgrade now or later on your selected time. Also, there have some other useful information. For example, Windows 10 is very much familiar and easy to use. It is combined with Windows 7 and improved features from Windows 8.1. Also, Windows 10 is packed with many other new cool features like Cortana, your truly personal digital assistant, brand new web browser Microsoft Edge, and universal Windows Store apps. So click Upgrade Now button from here and I will cover this up in the next lecture. Let's go another scenario. Some people may not be able to see this Get Windows 10 option because the system may not update it in the latest Windows update. In this case, you need to go to Windows 10 upgrade web page by typing microsoft.com/windows in the browser address bar. From this page, click Upgrade button. Now you are on a download page. Look at the page for a while. It says free upgrade offer ends on July 29, 2016. If you start your upgrading process by this time, you can get free Windows 10 for your lifetime. After that period, Microsoft will charge $119 for Windows 10 Home Edition and $199.99 for Windows 10 Professional. Now click Download Now button. A web installer will be downloaded. Open and run the installer. Keep in mind that you should have a stable and fast internet connection as well. It requires a 3 GB of background download to complete the current progress. It depends on your bandwidth and it will take some time.